Because you're under arrest.
You to.
Why? I'm not. I didn't do anything. I'm not. I didn't drink. I didn't do anything. Oh my God.
No, I got it.
Why are you? I didn't do anything. You. I hate this. Ow.
On a cold November evening in 2025, a routine traffic collision call escalated into a full DUI investigation. What unfolds raises critical questions about probable cause, field sobriety testing, and a citizen's right to refuse. This is the legal breakdown of the encounter, the officer's authority, and the choices that define the outcome. Watch carefully. Every observation an officer makes during these first minutes can become evidence in court.
Hi.
How you doing?
Good. How are you?
Good. So what's going on today?
Well, not much. We were driving home. I picked up my kiddo. They were turning. They didn't have their signal on, and I didn't see it, so I clipped them on the left, and that's what happened.
Okay. Do you have your driver's license on you? And then insurance for the vehicle?
No, my license is in the car, and I can get insurance too.
Okay, yeah, that's fine. It's in the car, you said?
Yeah.
Okay. Just be careful, there's vehicles coming. Is everything on your phone?
Yeah.
Okay, we can go over here then. We don't need to stand on the road.
Oh, thank you so much. So sorry.
Yeah, let's go over here so we don't get hit by a car.
How you doing?
Good. I was trying to pull up the insurance, but it hasn't switched over yet.
Okay.
So she just got this.
Thank you.
No, it's only have the one for the CRV.
I just got this car like less than a month ago. Not even 2 weeks ago.
That's for this or no?
No, unfortunately, it's not it.
Okay. Well, do you have your driver's license then?
Yeah, let me get. Sorry.
Can you reach it through that side? I don't want you to get hit by a car over here. I'm sorry.
I know, I'm sorry. I'm just like a little.
Where'd your driver's license go?
Hold on.
Could it be in this purse?
No, that's a. No. I think I'm gonna pass out. Maybe. Yeah. I'm sorry. Yeah. So. I'm sorry.
What's going on?
No, I'm just scared. I'm so sorry.
Do you need me to call rescue out here?
No, I'm fine. I'm just.
Why are you scared?
Well, I was in the car with my son and we got hit. And
you got hit or you hit someone?
We hit someone. Sorry.
Okay. What exactly happened?
They stopped and they didn't have a signal on, so I didn't see it.
Okay.
Thank you, kiddo.
Did you have your driver's license?
Yes, I'm sorry.
Thank you. And then the insurance, do you have that?
That's on his phone or mine.
Just for the CRV.
Yeah, because this is they transferred it, but I just got this car like 2-3 weeks ago, so it might not be there. So sorry. It just took me a minute.
All right, yeah, if you just want to hang out off the road here, I'll be right back with you.
All right, thank you so much.
Yep.
I'm on the phone with insurance. What can I do for you?
10-4. You can hang up with them. That's fine right now. We'll wait on that.
Oh, no, they're... Okay, so should we call someone else?
We can figure it out at a later time, Roseanne.
Okay. All right, wonderful. Thank you so much. I appreciate all your help. Oh, so good. All right.
Okay, Rosanna, so I smell a bit of alcohol emitting from your breath. How much have you had to drink tonight?
None.
None at
No,
all?
I
Okay.
came from work.
Would you be willing to go through some tests to determine whether or not you're good to drive tonight?
Yeah,
Okay.
of course.
All right. Do you have any eye problems or abnormalities?
Not anything
Okay.
horrible.
How is your general health?
Good, I think.
Okay. Are you wearing contacts of any sort?
Mm-hmm.
No. Okay. So what I have you do is put your feet together and keep your hands at your side.
Okay.
Keep your head still and follow the movement of my stimulus with your eyes. And
Hold on. That's it. Wrong when you take that. Thank you.
You got any weapons on you?
No.
No? Okay. You'll be surprised. We gotta ask.
It's okay.
so put your feet together and keep your hands at your sides. Keep your head still and follow the movement of my stimulus with your eyes only. Keep following my stimulus with your eyes until I tell you to stop. Do you understand?
Sure.
Okay.
Go ahead
Can you
and
face
take
this
it.
way?
Feet together.
Can you put your arms at your side?
Yeah.
Make sure to follow with your eyes only, okay?
Okay.
Are you following with your eyes only?
I think so. Like. What?
Go ahead, blink. So your eyes aren't straining.
Oh yeah. Sorry about that.
No worries. Do you remember what the instructions were?
Yeah. Follow
Okay, so
the light. And
feet together, just like mine.
feet together.
Your hands down at your side, just like this.
Yeah.
Don't move from there.
Well, it's cold. Sorry.
Yeah, I understand, but you need to follow his green light with your eyes and your eyes only. You're moving your head.
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay.
Okay. Do you have any physical problems or disabilities?
Just average old age problems.
Okay.
44, I have back pain, but that's about it.
Okay. So what I have you do is place your left foot on the line here,
Okay.
and then place your left foot on the line here.
Okay.
Imagine this is a line, and then you'll put your right foot in front of your line, or in front of your left foot on the line,
Okay.
touching heel to toe. Place your arms at your sides, and then I'll demonstrate now. Do you understand?
So we're gonna do heel toe.
Just listen to my instructions.
So
So
tell me when you're ready.
hang on. When I say begin, take 9 heel to toe steps on the line, turn around, and take 9 heel to toe steps back on the line. Make your turn by keeping your front foot on the line, and turn by taking several steps around with the other foot.
Okay. So 1, 2. Oh my gosh. Sorry, that's so much harder. 2, 3. Yes, I know. I'm so sorry. Hold on. But
At your side.
so sorry. Okay. Turn back. Okay.
Okay, how many steps was that?
I don't know. I wasn't counting.
Okay. So the next test is the one leg stand test.
Okay.
You're going to place your feet together and your arms at your sides. Do not do anything else until you're told to do so. Do you understand?
Yes.
You may begin.
Head southeast on North Gilmer Road.
Yes, dear.
Make sure you keep your arms at your side.
I know. I'm trying.
Make sure to count out loud as well. Okay, you can stop. Will you agree to, you don't?
No,
Okay, you don't want to blow into it, see if you're
No.
good to drive for the night?
not at all.
Okay.
Because I know
Okay.
even if I've had.
So what I'm going to have you do is put your hands
No.
behind your back.
No,
You're going to be under arrest for driving under the influence.
I'm not under the influence though. I have not had anything to drink tonight. No,
Like I said, don't resist or it's going to be more charges.
there's no charges. I've not had anything to drink, so
Can you explain the fireball I saw in your car?
I don't know. I'm in a band, but there's no alcohol in my system, so no.
Well, this
Why
officer,
are you
this
arresting-
officer's
Why are you
clue.
arresting me?
He got
Based on the clues I observed during the test there, I have enough to arrest you for driving under the influence, not to mention the fireball in your vehicle.
There was none. Do you have it?
We could go get it.
There's none.
Okay.
That's why you were hiding under your purse. You wouldn't bring up your purse because you was right under your purse.
I was looking for my ID. There was none. There's no alcohol in my car. None. And there's no reason why you should arrest me. No, there's no reason why you should arrest me. I'm not under the influence of anything.
Okay. Well, let's walk back to my squad car, all right?
Okay.
You don't have anything in your
No,
pockets or anything? You mind if I check?
Yeah, you can look.
Okay.
It's just
I'm just going to take an inventory of what you have on you, okay?
You can, but please don't touch me. But there's nothing.
How do you... What's in there? How do you get to that pocket?
I don't know.
I just want to account for all your belongings.
Well, I have no belongings.
Then we're gonna have to take off the coat.
Hey!
Hey,
Don't,
what?
Don't.
Roxanne, we got to account for all your
Alright,
belongings.
but there's nothing.
When we get to the jail, they're going to do the same exact thing. It's better just do it
I'm
out
not
here.
going to jail.
Okay, that's what we're doing right now.
Really?
Yes.
Why?
I already explained to you why.
Why?
Not to mention you had your son in the car.
Don't talk to me about my child. Like, no. Yeah, my keys. That's what's in my pocket.
Okay. Do you have anything else on you?
No. Why would I have anything
I'm just
other
asking.
than...
The jail's going to ask you the same exact things.
I'm not under the influence. I have not had anything to drink today.
Okay.
This is not okay.
How do I get to the inside pocket?
You can try.
I said how. I didn't ask. I
Go
said
dig
how.
for it. But I'm not under the influence. I would never drink with my child in the car. I know you're just doing your job, but I swear to God, there's nothing. That is my wallet. There's nothing.
Like
but,
we said, we're accounting for your belongings,
I
so
know.
they're all here, right?
Yes, but
We don't want you to be missing anything.
Yes, please don't touch me. Why?
Okay,
Don't.
can you step up into the vehicle?
Why?
Because you're under arrest.
Why? I'm not. I didn't do anything. I'm not. I didn't drink. I didn't do anything. Oh
You
my
on that
God.
side?
No, I got it.
Why are you... I didn't do anything. You. I hate this. Ow.
Under federal law, an officer needs only reasonable suspicion to extend a traffic stop into a sobriety inquiry. That standard, set by the Supreme Court in Terry v. Ohio, requires only specific, articulable facts. Probable cause to arrest is higher, but it never requires a breath test result, only the totality of the evidence. Critically, refusing the roadside portable breathalyzer is legal in most states and carries no statutory penalty. However, under Birchfield v. North Dakota, refusing the post-arrest evidentiary test triggers automatic license suspension.
You. I hate this. Ow.
Is there anything on your keys I need to leave with the car, or?
I don't know. I
Okay,
still don't know why you're arresting me.
Okay, I already explained that to you.
I'm not
I'm
drunk.
asking
I haven't
with
had
the keys,
anything
because the
to
car's
drink.
getting towed.
I don't know.
Okay.
I've never been in this situation.
Okay,
and
I'm
I'm
just
not
asking.
drunk. I have not had anything to drink.
Okay, I'm just asking. Does any of these keys need to see with
I
the vehicle?
don't know. I don't know.
Okay. Alrighty. Do you need anything out of the vehicle?
Yes,
So, what do you
probably my purse and everything that I own.
need? Okay,
I
well, I'll
don't
grab
know.
your purse and I'll keep all your belongings together in that, okay?
Again, I've said I've not had anything to drink. Why?
We already explained that to you. We went through the testing.
Because I won't do a breathalyzer. That's why you're
Not why at all. I observed other clues.
other clues.
Yes.
Let me. The portable breath test out here doesn't dictate his decision or not. It's just to
Okay.
give us a better clue.
All right, so it's
what we're working
semantics,
with.
but I'm
And it's not
not.
admissible in court. Okay, so
Oh.
anything that like now, all your questions, everything, you can talk to your attorney and figure it out in court. Okay.
You don't have anything to show that I've actually had any kind of alcohol in my system. I'm not intoxicated. I don't know why you think that you can actually arrest me and put me in a car. There's no reason why I'm in here right now.
We've already explained that to you many times.
Yeah, and I saw you go through your whole thing. But I'm not. I don't have any alcohol in my system.
Okay.
I've told you 100
All
times.
right, right now we're trying to figure out what you need out of your car. What do you need? Do you need anything
Jesus
aside
Christ.
from your
Yes,
purse?
I need to leave.
Okay, well that's not an option right now. Is that all you need?
So I'm going to go sit for 4 hours until I call an attorney, and then you're really going to take me.
Okay, just your purse then?
Yeah,
All right.
that's fine.
Go ahead.
Oh, f*** you. Get the f*** out of my car. Oh, for the love of f***ing God. Can I please have my stuff? I just want to know what's going on. I didn't drink tonight. Ever.
Okay.
All day. It's a Wednesday.
I gotcha.
I know I'm in a band. I have things. There's probably a microphone in the back, too.
Yeah? What kind of music you sing?
Country. Why does that matter? I just want to know what's going on tonight. You don't f***ing care.
The woman was charged.
Now for the grades. The investigating officer earns a B. He applied proper NHTSA pre-test screening, offered medical aid when needed, and stated the law on the breathalyzer correctly. Points are deducted for incomplete on-camera documentation of each sobriety test clue. The driver receives a B-. To her credit, she was honest about fault. She did not flee, did not physically resist, and properly refused the preliminary breath test. However, her emotional denials and continued roadside argument work directly against her own legal interests. The department earns a B+ for active bodycam coverage and clear evidence of NHTSA standardized training. Here is the lesson every viewer should take away from this footage. The single most powerful right you possess after an arrest is the Fifth Amendment right to remain silent. Arguing your innocence at the roadside never persuades the officer. It only creates more evidence against you. The correct response is calm. Identify yourself, state clearly that you wish to remain silent, and request an attorney. Probable cause is challenged in a courtroom by a lawyer with a motion to suppress. Never on the side of the road. Knowing your rights is the first offense. Exercising them strategically is the second. Let us know in the comments which interaction or legal topic you would like us to break down next. Thank you for watching. And remember, when the lights come on behind you, your composure is your strongest legal asset.